This is a Little Tikes tire twister, and as you can see, tons of fun Mason is having. There is a remote that comes with the car, and 3 AAA batteries go in the car. Oh, flip! And 2 AA batteries go in the remote. He is having a blast. What? Yeah. And with the controls, simple to use. The car can go around in a circle, do flips, go back and forth. You can even take it out of the tire and use it as a regular remote control car. You gotta back it up.
Yeah.
Yep, back it up. So spin. So this is our first day. I'm guessing there is going to be a learning curve, but we are going to have a blast. Perfect gift for the holidays, for the crowd 3 and up. You like it?
Yes, I like it too.
Okay.